Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were studying about how animals survive. Yes, on the land or it may be inner land, how the animals are surviving. We were studying about this lesson. Till now we have studied the definition of a habitat. Yes, what is habitat? It is the natural home or environment of a plant, animal or other organism is called a habitat. Then can you tell what is adaptation? Adaptation is the process which enables organisms to adjust to their environment. Nothing but the animals or the organisms will adapt to that environment here in order to ensure survival. As you all know that animals are categorized into different types here on the basis of a habitat. On the basis of a habitat, animals are categorized into terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal and aerial. Yes, in the last video class, we have studied about the terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are nothing but the animals, okay, which live on a land. Okay, the animals, okay, the animals which live on a land are known as the terrestrial animals. Yes, for example, elephant, cat, dog, lion and camel. These animals, where they will live? They will live on a land. So, the animals which live on a land are known as a terrestrial animals. Yes, as you all know, we have studied about the breathing process also. These animals are having what? They are having a lungs here. And for moving, if the animal want to move from one place to another place, yes, they have developed legs here. Yes, camels have a 4 legs. Okay, they have a 4 legs here. With the help of a legs, they will move from one place to another place. And with the help of the lungs, they will breathe here. Okay, this is about the terrestrial animals that we have discussed in your previous video class. Yes, today in this video class, let us see about the next concept, that is aquatic animals. Yes, can you tell me what is the meaning of aquatic? Nothing but the animals which live in a water. Yes, the animals which live in water. Okay, aquatic animals, where they will live? They will live in a water. Remember, the animals which live in a water are known as aquatic animals. Dear students, here you have to remember what are aquatic animals, what are terrestrial animals, the definition and their examples you have to remember very carefully. So, the animals that live in a water are known as aquatic animals. Yes, can you give some example of the animals which will live in a water? Yes, fish. Yes, in your home there is an aquarium. Yes, in an aquarium, yes, the water will be there. In the water, the fish can survive. Yes, when you remove from the water, the fish will die here because fish is a aquatic animal. ಆ ಫಿಶ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬದುಕೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೀರಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುವಂತಹ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಅಕ್ವಾಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್: ಫಿಶ್, ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಾಲ್ಫಿನ್. These are the animals which will survive in a water only. Unlike land animals, aquatic animals have fins or specialized limbs that help them swim here. As you all know that, okay, ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುವಂಥ animals, okay, how they will move? Yes, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು? They have a fins here. And even some of the specialized limbs they are having. With the help of that fins and the limbs, they will swim in a water. Also, many aquatic animals like a fish breathe through the gills here. Yes, as you have learned the breathing process in animals. Yes, in your previous lessons, you have studied about the aquatic animals also and their breathing process. Yes, dear students, can you remember what is the breathing process in a fish? Yes, with the help of the gills, the fish will breathe here. Whales and dolphins. Whales and dolphins are exceptions as they have a lungs to breathe here. Remember, here the fish is having what? Fish is having a gills to breathe. If you see whale and dolphins, they are having a lungs here. How we human beings are having lungs in our body, even in the body of a whale, there is a lungs are present in a whales and dolphins. With the help of these lungs, the whales and dolphins will breathe here. Okay, let us see here. I will show. Yes, what is it? It is a fish. Yes, dear students. Yes, fish are having a gills here. Yes, they have shown here. They are having a gills here. With the help of these gills, the fish will breathe here. Water flows over a gills and then out. Water flows through mouth here. First the water will flows in the mouth, then it will grow above the gills here. With the help of these gills, the fish will breathe here. Next, yes, it is a whale it is. Yes, as you are studied, whales are having a blowhole. Yes, just they will jump upside here from the water, then with a blowhole, they will take the oxygen inside. Yes, as I have told, they have a lungs here. Okay, it is a whale animal and it is developed with the lungs here. Yes, with the help of the lungs, dolphin will breathe here. Okay, and it is having a blowhole. Why it is having a blowhole? Because to take the oxygen inside, it is having a blowhole. With the help of this blowhole, it will take the oxygen inside and it is sent to the lungs here. Next one, dolphin. Yes, even the dolphin is also having a blowhole it is. Okay, even it will take the oxygen inside and it is sent to the lung part here. Even dolphin is having a lungs for breathing purpose, remember. Okay, this is the dolphin. With the help of the blowhole, it will take the oxygen inside. Then with the help of the lungs, it will breathe here. Okay, let us see about the amphibians. First, we have studied about the terrestrial animals. Today, we have studied about the aquatic animals. Next one is the amphibians. The animals that can live both on land and in water are known as the amphibians. Yes, this is the very important definition. The animals that can live both on land and in water. Yes, as I have discussed already, amphibians ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವೆ ಮತ್ತು ನೀರಿನ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೂ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀವ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ, ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾವ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತು ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫ್ರಾಗ್. ಯಸ್, ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್. Toad and newt. These are some of the example for amphibians. They have a limbs that help them swim in a water. Yes, how they will swim in a water? They have a limbs here. Some of them also have a webbed feet to help in swimming. See, dear students, they are having given a webbed feet here. Why they are having a webbed feet? To help in swimming. If it is living in a water, then it should swim in a water. With the help of that limbs, okay, or webbed feet, it will swim in a water. These animals breathe with their moist skin when in a water. Yes, when they are in a water, when they are living in a water, then with the help of their moist skin, ಮಾಯಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ರೀದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೀದ್ ಆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು, ಲಂಗ್ಸಿಂದ ಉಸಿರಾಡಿಸ್ತವೆ. ನೀರಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು, ಮಾಯಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರೀದ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್. When they are in a water, then with the help of their moist skin, they will breathe here. Okay, this is all about the amphibians. Here you have to remember what are amphibians and their examples, and what is the breathing system in amphibians. Yes, the amphibians will breathe, okay, with their moist skin when they will live in a water, and when they are on a land, with the help of the lungs they will breathe here. Okay, then how they will move from one place to another place? Amphibians, they have a limbs here that help them to swim in a water. Some of them also are having what, webbed feet to help in a swimming. This is all about the amphibians. Yes, I will show you the picture of amphibians here. Yes, first one you will identify very easily. Yes, this is the frog. Yes, the frog will live even in a water also and even on a land also. The next one, salamander. This is also one of the animal which live in a water and on land. Next one, toad. Yes, this is the toad. Okay, this animal also it will live even in a water also and even in a even on a land also. Toad it is. Newt. Yes, this is a newt animal. Newt we call. Yes, this animal ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆನೂ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್: ಫ್ರಾಗ್, salamander, toad and newt. Yes, dear students, today what we studied? We have studied about the aquatic animals and amphibians. I hope you have understood the meaning and the examples of aquatic animals and amphibians, and how they will breathe also, and how the movement will take place in these animals. So today what you have to do? You have to read this lesson till where I have completed. In the next video class, again we will study about the aerial animals. Till that, dear student, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.